What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tuned Engines. On today's video we have a special super freaking special thing we're gonna be doing for our 71C10. Hopefully y'all won't see anything behind me. You can see we have my new companion. I named him Turbo because you know because Turbskis make power and they make cars go. Let me see, go. But yeah, guys, so basically today we're gonna go ahead and get some new rims and tires for our 71C10. As you can see, my companion Turbo, he's Alright guys, sorry about that. Freaking Turbo was being so mean to me right now, so I went ahead and got Supercharger right here. Supercharger is a little bit more tame and nicer, but anyway, hopefully I won't see anything behind me still because I got a little surprise for you. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up, but basically we're gonna go ahead and get some rims and tires for our 71C10, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be spicy, muy caliente. Alright guys, well, in case you're wondering where we're gonna get the tires and wheels, we're actually gonna get them here at Discount Tire. So I went ahead and ordered them, and I can't wait to see how they look, or how they look on the truck actually. So we're gonna go ahead, go inside and go get these tires mounted. I'm super excited, can't wait to see how they look, and I think y'all are gonna be in for a surprise. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. Alright guys, and this is gonna be the last time we see this truck with these rims and tires. So one last look, so we can go back down memory lane. But yeah, so can't wait to see how they look with the new ones. Right now he's taking off the old tire and rim, so alright guys, and those are the rims right there. Alright guys, so we just got done with Discount Tire. Let me go ahead and show you how these rims actually look like. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, you can see we went some Cooper Cobra's radios, and these rims are actually Vision rims. But I'll actually go ahead and explain a little bit more once we get back home. But yeah, so this is how the truck looks. As you can see, it looks super freaking cool. Alright guys, so we're back at the house and you can see how cool these rims actually look. So let me go ahead and tell you about the rims and tires we went ahead and got. Alright guys, so we went ahead and went with some Cooper Cobra tires. Let me go ahead and tell you the specs. So it's actually 255, 60, 15. So we went ahead and kept the same rim, the stock rim that it came with, the same size at least. And we went ahead and went to a 55 instead of a 35, and also went down in a tire wall. That's why you can see that these tires look a little bit smaller compared to the other ones. So those are our Cooper Cobras, and I'll go ahead and show you like a little difference of like how it is, because actually it's a big difference. The old tires, they were actually an inch taller and an inch smaller from width. So these are actually wider but shorter. And let me go ahead and explain why in a little bit after I'm done with this. So the next thing is we went ahead and went with some Vision Legends. I wanted to go with the American Racing Torque Thrust. Those are like the ones you see mostly like in these type of C10s. The only thing was that whenever I was gonna order them or buy them, they were not gonna be in stock till 4 months from now, guys. 4 months, can you believe that? So I was like, oh heck no, that's too long. Brother Henry, my friend, he actually helped me out a lot. Thank you so much, Henry. I was like, Brother Henry, I can't wait 4 months for this, brother. I gotta get them now. I want them now. He's like, all right, Carlito, calm down. I got you. So we went ahead and hit the old interweb, and this is where we saw these Legends. So it's actually around like the same price. The only thing is that they're not American Racing, but it's the same design and everything, just so y'all know. And the rims, they're a 15-inch rim, because I wanted to keep it look stock. I didn't want to put some bigger rims on it. I was thinking about .17s, but I was like, I'll probably look a little bit funny, and like, I don't want to do that. So we went ahead and left some 15s, and they actually have it's an 8, and the width it's an 8. I'm not sure how to say that, but it's an 8 width, and it's a 5 by 1.27. So those are the rims. But also, guys, you might be wondering, hey Carlitos, there's a freaking gap here. Look, say no more. Let me go ahead and explain what we're gonna go ahead and do for that. So whenever we bought the tires, we kind of knew that they were gonna look a little bit funny because we went an inch less in height. And the reason for that is because we're actually gonna lower the truck. So I'm thinking about, we're probably gonna lower 2, maybe 3 inches in the front, and in the back I'm probably gonna end up lowering it 4 inches. We don't want it to be squatting or like super duper low to the ground where like the frame's grinding, because I don't know, I just don't think that's ideal. And like I wanna make it look nice. I wanna be like grinding the freaking frame on the floor. Another thing why I'm not gonna lower a lot like freaking crazy is because that we're actually going to the C10 Nationals, and right there like in your face it says no freaking lower trucks or like squatted trucks, so we can't go that low. Well, let me go ahead and show you like the difference between like the new tires and the old ones, so y'all can see. So that actually went ahead and kept the old ones because I just wanted to keep them and have them like for like in case something happens, in case we bend the rim or something, which hopefully we don't. Which actually we have a lifetime warranty on these rims too, so that was a really good deal. Oh, these are heavy. Yeah. So we have the new tire than the old one, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you like the difference. I'm gonna see if I can measure this as best as I can, just so you can get an idea. So this one is basically 29 inches, like 26. Yeah, it's actually 26. So we actually went ahead and got like a 2-inch difference. But I'm gonna go ahead and say that's like an inch, because like right now like the truck is on it and like this one has no weight. So like obviously like the sidewall's gonna be a little bit squished. Alright guys, well as you see, the new rims came out cool. I love how they look. So the next step is we're gonna go ahead and lower the truck in the next video. I'm thinking about cutting the springs just to see like how it's gonna sit. But just so y'all know, we have a lowering kit coming in. We'll probably see if we can install it later. But for right now, I want to see if I can cut the springs, become at the quattro for once, and cut them and see how the truck looks. Or if it's too much, or basically just so I can get an idea of how it's gonna look like, and if I want to go lower or higher. As always, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for future content. I'll see you all next time.